discuss today it is the aluminium silicate and its properties. So let's have the most important silicate. It is the aluminium. As all the silicates rocks that contain aluminium, these rocks are very important. As why they are important, all the weather changes just disintegrate all the minerals from the rocks, as well as this integration just results due to the change in the boiling point, the freezing of the water in the rocks, as well as all the chemical actions that the water as well as the carbon dioxide have on all the compounds just disintegrate into the different compounds of potassium, as well as also disintegrate into the sand, as well as it into the clay. So mainly we are talking here about the aluminium silicate whose formula is Al2O3 with silicon dioxide. So the sand reacts with the aluminum oxide. The resulting product we have it is the aluminium silicate. So aluminium silicate having aluminium and oxygen along with the silicones. Here we have its structure formula in which we have the central atom. It is a silicon surrounded by the aluminium which is having plus 3 positive. This just happened upon the hydrolysis of this silicate. Along with it is having the oxygen atoms surrounded all the structure. So this is a simple aluminium silicate structure. Next we have the preparation of the aluminium silicate. Here we have the following reaction in which it is mainly known as the weathering of potassium feldspar. This process is known as weathering of potassium feldspar. As this one is the formula of the potassium feldspar in which K2O Al2O3.6SiO2. It reacts with the carbonic acid which is H2CO3 and in the presence of water. In the main product we have potassium carbonate, we have silicon dioxide, we have aluminium silicates, and then we have the water molecules. This is the whole process which is mainly known as weathering of the feldspar. What just happened in this process? As we know, if we have a pure clay, its formula is as this. This is also known as the kaolin and it is used for the manufacturing of the porcelain products as well as the china wares. So this is a simple preparation of the aluminium silicate from the weathering of the potassium feldspar. As aluminium silicate is having many important uses as well as many important properties for this. So let's have a look on it. First one is the kaolin clay. What does mean by this? Kaolin clay, it is also known as the China clay. It is mainly a soft white clay. It is used for the manufacturing of the many porcelain products or the many porcelain wares or China wares. Only the ordinary clay that we have, it just contain the compound of iron or the other metals and it is yellowish in color. But on the other hand, when we have the kaolin clay, it is the soft white clay. Here we have this ceramics China clay. This is a China clay and many ceramics just prepared from this clay. As when we just add water in it, it started to soft down. But when the water is just removed, it just then hardened out and changes into the some specific ceramics. So this is the main use of the China clay. Here we have the other uses of China clay. First one, it is used for the sensitive skin which need to be get soft. It is used as a dye deodorant. It is also used to skin detox to clean the skin fourth one use, it just treats the acne in a better way. The last one we have, it just purify the pores that are present in the body. So that's why in this way we have a lot of uses of the china clay or kaolin. Now let's discuss the uses of the simple clay. So the clay is used in the making of the pottery and the other ceramic articles. So this is the main pottery in which we use the clay for the preparation of the many ceramics, and all that just depends upon the plasticity of the paste. The paste of the clay that we made for the preparation of the or manufacturing of the different ceramics, it just depends upon the thickness of that paste or the thinness of the paste. When we soaked it in the water, the clay just progressively hydrates. It means when we add water in the clay, it just get hydrated and absorb the water, and the paste becomes more plastic. Plastic means it just has more viscous and easy to use. And when the clay is heated again, the water of hydration is just lost. This process is mainly known as dehydration, in which we just heat that paste and a hard rock like mass is formed. When we just gain that hard rock like material, this is also used in the manufacturing of the bricks. It is used in the manufacturing of the tiles and many stonewares, as well as in the production of the many ceramics. So this is the simple use of the clay, that how we can use it for the better purpose or to make the different articles by its use. I hope you guys understand about the uses of the aluminium silicates as it is having the clay. So this is all about, and the next topic we will discuss it is the silicons. For that time you guys keep learning and have a good day.